Marlo, when we look around your showroom, this section here is very different to the other carpet displays. So what is this product here, where it's very thick, chunky wools? Tell us about this.
So we've got specialised machines that allow us to do some really interesting different things, whether it's using different yarns, so really thick yarns, or our standard yarns, but a lot more of it, producing chunky loops, high piles, some different flex through it, and we make it all against order, so each order is unique and different.
And so these are more of your premium offering, you would say?
They are. They also make really great rugs, but can be installed wall to wall, and they can tone in with our other carpets as well, so you can mix and match.
Yeah, beautiful. If you're looking for a premium quality carpet for your home, pop in and check out Prestige Carpets here at the Build and Design Centre 7 days.